Okurejera abahandiko okurwa mu office rukora enshonga z'amakomoro district ya Bundubujo ekahandika abana babishiki abarukwinga n'enkumi barwenda makumyana omwaka oguhwira babire binenda.
It is very true when Bundubujo it is among the most serious challenges that we are having as leaders. Egende malawo abavubuka abandi badde ab'omugaso mu maaso abandi badde bayamba eggwanga lino. It is a very big challenge, and as Bundubujo, one, it is coming out of the increase in the prices of cocoa. Wana bafuna sente nyingi oba tebakyalowooza ne mu kusoma kuba kati omusomesa ayinza okuba nga afuna emitwalo 5.
Abinja hali aba ebahandiko nibyoleka ngo bakaba bali mu bushwere. Sande Joash Karani kansala wa district ya Harugare nagira ngo habwo kugira sente nyingi abazire balemerwe kukora ahabana babo konkaba nabataka komomo kingwa cya kokowa okubana cyo cyonjiro muzegwa abana babishikana nabojo okurwa mu mashomero bakazo mu bushwere.
Obuzibu buliyo nti omwana bamuwedde mirongo atanaweza na myaka 18 kati wanoga kokowa nga aweze emitwalo 5 kyokka nga amufunye mu weeks 2 kati alowoozamu nga really ekyokubanga omusomesa afuna emitwalo 5 omwezi gumu nga ye emitwalo 5 asobola ogifuna mu weeks 2 nga tekimugasa songa comparing the two situations n'alaba ngo okuva mu ssomero n'agenda n'afumbirwa oba n'agenda n'afuna omukazi, it is the best option.
Omoro district eji obwa hatikiro yako kuberya hagati y'emitwaro 2 n'ekicweka okusiha emitwaro 36 omusente za Uganda.
Abalimi ba koko obudo obusinga balinga balunyanja nti bwazifuna azikozesa nga bwazirabye kubanga ayina endowooza nti koko akyakoze ki akyaliyo n'enkyajja kuddayo ajjeyo endala. Kyoba olaba nti bw'oba ogerageranyiza sente ezijja mu district n'enkulaakulana ali mu district tebyenkanankana.
And it is really draining most of our youths kuba abasinga obungi ibagenzeemu. If you move around homes in several villages in this district ojasanga nti abaana abasinga okubeera abafumbo bali below 18 years of age.
Echo kureberaho aha myaka 16 y'obukuru Mbambo Medress akasharamo kurugo mu ishomero yaza kushwerwa bwanyuma y'umusigazo kugumana mushuka sente nyamwinji eziyabire nayiho mu kokowa. Ogo bwiro ubwo akaba ari mu kibina cya mukaga kandi ogo akamara y'umwaka gumwe nuko abazire kumwihayo.
Nero mubanye ndaba butebayi mababinyi hayo ngamanganeka mana bebe nganeka nenamo ekitongole kyerudiwe kimyo kwa radio ne bamanya namayendayo namayeshanzere abo yeshanzere njone obanye yasonga chere ngane mutunge chikumi ngane museba eselunga yo ngane ndeke singa otubushebu nitewase bichiri no menge ngane mutunge sente.
Force you, but you see you have nowhere to go, and the parents knows you will have nowhere to go. Once the man who are pregnant you refuses you, he has nothing to do. But what is the challenges? Where the challenges comes from? Where a parent doesn't give you soap, where the child have defecated in the thing in the clothes, you want soap. The parent, if he says I will not give you the soap, he will not accept to get the soap for the child.
In fact, at home we have a girl of P7 who got married and she's now pregnant, and has led to school dropout. Abana barugiro mu isomero because of these boys having a lot of money.
Addis Hona orukorana n'ekitongole kya Rural Disabled Association nagira ngo bagerezeho bakora cyone cyo rukubasika okukwatira kwa bishaba obwe baruko batendeke by'emikono.
We ensure that they are at the site, where they are not making it well, we add in some capital for them, so that if someone has a salon, we add in some capital. For those that don't have the tailoring machines, we have distributed some tailoring machines to them, and then we check on them quarterly if they are still on the ground, if they are still doing the work.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Singwiri.